Hi everybody, it's Nikki here and welcome to a very rare occasion where I wear my hair down and yeah, look at all those grey hairs coming through. Like that's a lot of grey hairs. It's getting old, people, it's getting old. Okay, so getting over my hair being down. Sorry if I fidget with it, it's just, oh. Fun fact about me, I don't like my hair touching my neck. It's a really weird thing. That's why I have it up in a ponytail all the time. But I thought today I would have it down. And already I'm regretting. Okay, so welcome to a new project pan today. This is the first time I will have ever taken part in this project pan, but it is one that has been on my radar for a few years now. And every time I see it, I think that is a great project pan. I really want to take part. And then I realise it's almost over, so there's no point in taking part in it because it is only a 4-month-long project. Very short, sharp and sweet, really, just like myself. So this project pan is the roulette project pan. This is round 9, but it's the first one I've taken part in. It is hosted by Rebecca Morgan and Alexandra. I'll put her name here. I don't want to mispronounce another name like I did with my Pannas Bingo, although the lady was lovely about it. So it is a 4-month rolling project pan, updates on the 23rd of each month, and it runs from the 23rd of September, yes I'm late, I know, and I always, until the 23rd of February next year. There is 100 prompts that I can choose from, and basically I just do a random number generator. Gonna pick my numbers and then we're going to pick my products. I think because it's only a 4-month project pan, I think I'm going to do 5 products. Let's do 5 products at a time. So I'm going to get up my random number generator like this, give it a shake and see what my first number is. 83. Okay. So 83 is something brown, packaging or product. Okay. Number 2. Come on. Number 5. Okay, what's that one? Back to the beginning again. A product that makes you feel like an artist. That's what I'm going to have to think about. Okay, 3rd one. We'll skip that one. Thanks, random number generator. 54. Okay. A product you overlooked but now love. Okay. 4th one. Number 10. Going backwards and forwards on this bloody list. Your Hogwarts house colour. Okay. I am a Hufflepuff, so something yellow. Lovely. And our 5th and final product is going to be number 2. And that is a product that reminds you of your favourite season. Now that would be autumn. So let me go and pick out my products and then I will show you what I have picked. Okay, so I am back. I have picked out my products. Wow, shiny nose. I have picked out my products, so let's go for our first number, which was number 83, and that was something brown. Now, you may recognise this product because it was in a recent project pan, I believe, but it is my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. This is a sample, well, a mini size, I want to say, and there is not much left of it. I haven't got much of this at all, as you can see. Literally, Now I'm no longer using this as a bronzer. I'm actually using this in the crease in my eye makeup, because it is a beautiful transition colour for my browner eye looks. And yeah, and really at the moment a bronzer brush is not really getting much product, but an eye brush is picking up product beautifully. So I am going to try and attempt to finish this all off. I was going to do that anyway, so I might as well put it in this project pan and show you that progress as I'm going along. So yeah, that is the first item. Already beginning to regret having my hair down. It's so hot around my neck. Anyway, the second product was for number 5, and that was something that makes you feel like an artist, and the only thing I could think of was a pencil product, because you draw with pencils. So this is the Avon True Colour Glimmer Stick Diamonds Eyeliner in Silver Lights. Again, this was in a previous project pan, and I have that much left. It is a really nice silver shade, like that. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this the last time I had it in a project pan. So hopefully I can use it up in this project pan. Plus as well, it was one of the eyeshadow, like eyeliner pencils that was almost finished. So there's less product in this than any of my other pencils, so that's why I kind of chose this one. So there's that one. The next number was number 54, and that is a product that you overlooked but now you love. And this really, I had to really think hard, something that I've overlooked previously but now I love. And then it hit me: lip glosses. Previously, I always stayed away from lip glosses because I always thought about it getting caught with my hair. But now I have really been enjoying them. And the ones I have been really enjoying the most from my ever-expanding collection of lip glosses is the MAC Lip Glass ones. So this one is one of their smaller ones that you get in their Christmas sets. Last Christmas, I got a set of 3. And as you can see, I've already started using this one, so we're only halfway here. So I reckon I can get this finished in the next 4 months. So yeah, and I've really been enjoying this. I love the texture, I love the colour. It is so nice, really is like a neutral brown, and I've actually started turning to my lip glosses rather than my lip balms on an evening. So yeah, it's really nice. It is like a sticky formula because it is a lip gloss, but it's not the type where my lips are, you know, getting that bit that strings between them when you're talking. So it's not that sticky. But I do really like this formula, and as I say, I always wear my hair up, so wearing a lip gloss now is not such an issue because I can't get my hair caught in it because it's in a ponytail normally. So yeah, how ironic that today I'm wearing my hair down. So yeah, I want to finish that up. The next number was number 10, and that was your Hogwarts house colour. I am a Hufflepuff, so I went for something yellow. And the only thing I could think of was a nail polish. So we have the Essence Gel Nail Polish, which isn't actually a gel. This one is currently down to here. Can you see? And I'm going to put a usage goal on this for, well, over 4 months. I'm going to say to use it 5 times, which is a minimum of once each month plus 1 extra use. So yeah, I'm going to put 5 uses on this, and then I can roll it out if I manage to do that before the 4 months is up, or this will be in till the end if I only wear it once a month. So yeah, it's really nice formula. This one is in the shade Love is in the Air. Everywhere we look around. Anyway, anybody love that Strictly Ballroom film? I love it. Cheesy, but I love it. So yeah, 5 uses on that one. And then the last number was number 2, and that was a product based on my favourite season. My favourite season is autumn. I love it when we're starting to get the cooler days, bit of rain, bit of drizzle. The leaves are starting to turn those beautiful colours. I mean, my favourite colour is green, but I like it when the trees start turning those oranges and yellows and reds, and we don't quite get it here in the UK as you do in America, because they're just wet here. Leaves go from dry to wet and soggy. So the colours are a little bit muted here. Whereas I'd love to go to somewhere like Maine in America, where I just envisage all these beautiful yellow and orange and red trees. I don't know why I have that image in my head. Maybe it's because of Hocus Pocus. I don't know. Is Hocus Pocus set in Maine? I don't know. Anyway, that's what I have in my head for autumn. So I couldn't choose any other palette than the Morphe 15D Day Slayer palette. So tell me that does not scream autumn to you. I mean, it really does, doesn't it? It really screams autumn. So because I have my Pan That palette, plus I have my Noughts Pans Crosses palette that I'm also working on, I don't want to go too much with this palette. So I think what I'm going to say is, I'm going to say 5 uses again, I think. No, 10. Let's go 10 uses. At least then I can use it twice a month, plus 2 extra more. So yeah, I think, yeah, let's go for 10 uses on this one. And then we can get some definite usage going on this, because I have had this for quite a few years now and it still looks almost brand new. Some shades have only ever been swatched. A couple of shades have been used, like this one and this one have been used. This one has been used. Wonder why? Because they're gorgeous. So yeah. So there's a couple of the shades there. And there's them on there. So yeah, we will do 10 uses on that palette before I can roll it out. So we have the Morphe 15D Day Slayer palette, 10 uses. We have the Essence Gel Polish in Love is in the Air for 5 uses. We want to use up completely the MAC lip gloss, which I forgot to say was the shade Toasty inside. And we want to use up the Avon True Colour Glimmer Stick eyeliner in Silver Lights. And we also want to finish our Benefit Hoola bronzer. So 3 items to use up completely, 2 items that have a usage goal. Wish me luck with this project pan. I want to thank Rebecca and Alexandra for creating this project pan, and finally I can take part. I'm here at the beginning and I'm doing it a little late, yes, but I'm doing it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!